Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to create digital paper using Activity Book Mastery and PowerPoint. So right now I'm inside Activity Book Mastery created by Ken Lutman, and I will go to Kaleidoscopes. Okay, and in Kaleidoscopes we need to upload a JPEG file. So I will upload a one. Okay, then let's wait for it to load. Now you can choose what pixel you want. It's 800 or 1200. Okay, this one actually is 800 pixels, and what we are going to do is just move around the mouse and see all the different images that come up. And if we like an image, just right click save image as, and then a folder will appear. So we just name the file and save it. Okay, so that's it. Let's try another image. So just move around the mouse again, and if you like another image, so just right click and then save it. So this is actually just like having fun, and I use it to relax myself sometimes. Okay, after we have created the images using Activity Book Mastery, now I will use PowerPoint. But before using PowerPoint, I want you to watch this video, this YouTube video, and it will teach you how to configure your PowerPoint so that the when you save the slides you create into images, it will be at 300 dpi instead of just the usual 96 dpi. Now I'm inside PowerPoint, and I will change the size of the slide. So go to design and then click customize, and then we'll change it to 12 inches by 12 inches. And then we will insert the images, the kaleidoscope images that we created. Let's look for it. Where is it in our file? Let's just grab a few of the images we created into PowerPoint. I grabbed 5 images, and I'm just separating them first, and then I will try to rearrange them onto our slide. And actually I have no plans of how to really do it, but I'm just playing around and looking at the images and see which ones or which arrangement will look nice. So let's see, putting them in a row and making sure that they are lined up and of the same size. As you can see, you can stack them, or I mean put one image on top of another, and just use the format and arrange feature of PowerPoint, and then you can group the images together. When using PowerPoint, it's actually easy to see if the objects are lined up, because when you put the objects side by side, there are guidelines that appear. It tells you if they are lined up and they have proper spacing. So it helps you to, even if I'm just eyeballing the spacing, the guidelines appear and it helps a lot. So after creating a row of the objects or the images that we created, so we'll just group all the elements together and then duplicate it until we fill up the page or the slide. After creating this design, it doesn't really look very appealing to me, so let's see what else we can do. I just duplicated this slide, and then let's remove the other images and just retain a few, or the starting images that we have. So I'll just play around with the images and see what looks nice. Okay, I think putting these three images together looks nice. So I'll just duplicate this, and then we will rotate this duplicate. Okay, and then we will use these images, group these images together, and then fill up the page with this design. I think this digital paper or this design looks better than the first one we created. So we will use this one. Let's save this slide as an image. So just go to File, Save As, and then give it a file name, and then change the file type to PNG or JPEG if you like. Then just save this one slide. Then we'll create a blank page and insert the image that we created. The reason we have to save the image is so that we could make different designs or colors of the image. So just go to Format, and then you can go to Color, and in the drop down menu you can select whatever style or color that you like to make variations of the digital paper. Then you can again press Ctrl D on the slide and then duplicate, and then you can also use the different features like corrections, artistic effects to make different designs of the same pattern of digital paper. And then you can save the slides again into PNGs. These are the final images or files of the digital paper. We created 5 these different varieties of the same pattern, and then I'll open it up to show you how it looks like. These files are 3600 by 3600 pixels at 300 dpi. So that's it. That's how I created digital paper using Activity Book Mastery and PowerPoint. I hope this will be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.